If you're having a problem with your network, your Wi-Fi on your Samsung 7 Series TV, then we can reset it to factory settings. Obviously, when it comes to Wi-Fi, you're then going to have to connect up the Wi-Fi again. You're going to have to go into your router, depending on where you are in the world, and you're going to have to be putting in your password again. But if it's playing up, then you can do this as a last resort and it will reset it to factory settings. You might find it fixes your problem. So we need to go into settings. So we're going to be hitting the settings button on the remote control here. It's near the bottom left, and we're going to be using the arrow keys and the middle button to enter. So let's hit the settings button there, and we're going to go down to where it says general. And we're going to press right, and we're going to go down to network and press enter. We now have an option to reset network, and it says here restore the network settings to the factory defaults. So I'm going to do that. Do you want to reset the network settings? I'm going to go across to reset, press enter, and it says resetting the network settings, please wait. And there we go, the network settings have been reset. You can now set them again by selecting network settings. So this is where you're going to go back into it now, and you're going to choose whether you want wired, wireless, etc., just like you did when you got the TV. So hopefully now this will fix whatever problem you're having. Obviously, if it doesn't fix it, you could well have a problem with your wired connection or your wireless connection, but by resetting it, if there was an annoying bug, you might have fixed that. Thanks for watching.